Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are set. Check iOS version and backup now. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient issues. Then open Settings and go straight to Control Center so you can take action. This prevents accidental changes elsewhere. Make sure to note which gestures you use, lock screen, home, or swipe, and keep the phone unlocked while editing. This protects your edits and avoids confusion when toggles fail after a lock or restart. Now you reset and rebuild the center, step by step. First, disable then re-enable access within Apps and Access on lock screen to refresh permissions. Next, remove problematic controls and re-add them so they reload with default settings. This fixes misbehaving widgets. If icons remain unresponsive, use Reset All settings under Transfer or Reset. This won't delete media, but it will clear network, layout, and privacy settings, which often resolves deep configuration conflicts without a full restore. Finish by testing every control, one at a time, and open the apps tied to those toggles so they register correctly. If issues persist, install any pending iOS updates. Apple often fixes control center bugs in point releases. Make sure to try a full restart again after updating. If nothing works, perform a full restore from your backup through Finder or iTunes. This is the last resort. Key troubleshooting tip: if the problem returns, check for third-party.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.